Alright guys, so today we're doing some hardwood floor cleaning. Actually not using this, I had to get some water. Real quick guys, if you guys are looking to start a carpet cleaning business, Green Rhino Academy is your resource. You can find the link below. And that even includes how to clean hardwood floors. Doing some measuring with my Bruce Lee AI glasses. Remind me of Bruce Lee when he's you know, in disguise. But anyway, they're really handy when it comes to this stuff. So I'm just doing a double check on the square footage. We went through and we cleaned the floor with the multi-wash there. It's a Namco. Alright. And going to do some detailing with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and buff it. Okay. Which he brought out the wrong one. So I'm going to bring out the cotton bonnet. And go ahead and buff it out to where it looks nice. And it's going to just bring out the natural beauty of it. So I'm just buffing it out with cotton bonnet. Kind of brings out that natural look to it, you know. So this floor didn't have any like Mop and Go type products and stuff on here. It's just great. Or else this wouldn't be the simple. Oop. So you gotta make sure it's pretty dry, or else it'll stick. A little hard to handle. Alright, so next job, this is a vacation rental, this section of the home. Clean for them often. Oh, those are dry passes, guys. So a lot of times I'll get comments and stuff that I'm talking to the camera. I'll get comments and stuff. Oh, you're moving way too fast, and they're commenting on my Bruce Lee glasses again. Commented on my dry passes, thinking I'm cleaning at that speed. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, not doing that. Nice. Ran out of my cover details, but I got this product here, trashed by Magic Wand Company. Really high concentrated here. There's only 4 pumps per gallon, and it works great. All right, it's green safe. Does got some, peroxide in here, so it's gonna help with the organic staining. which is good. So yeah, you know, I always got the good backups. So yeah, this is just a carpet cleaning, no special anything, just normal everyday wear and tear. The second time they've used us. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do any more recording or anything. So yeah, so thanks for watching. If you like this type of stuff, this ride along type of stuff, let me know, and I'll try to be more active when it comes to that, because I just literally, the busier I am, the less I record, and it's busy. All right, see you in the next one.